Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an eyebrow tutorial. A lot of people have been asking me to do one, so I'm gonna do one. Didn't think my eyebrows were that good, but I guess y'all do. Yeah. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, then keep on watching this video. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I use first, and then I'm gonna go step by step. And tell you how I do them. Show you. Man, I suck. I'm trying to look at the camera because I keep looking at like what other people call their viewfinder, but no, I'm just looking at my phone screen, looking at like myself, because I'm trying to make sure I don't look like bad, you know. But I need to look at the camera to make sure that you guys know that I'm talking to you. Anyways, so I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial today. A lot of people have been asking me to do one, so I decided that I will do one. Basically all I use is a spoolie, any spoolie, because I have like a lot. Well, I mean, I only have two now, but yeah, I just use one. I use a angled brush. I have a few of those too, but like, I don't know if I can show you guys. I don't know. Okay, this brush is like really thick, like the width is thick. And this one is too, but I've used it so much, like the eyebrow product's like in it, you know, even if I wash it, it's still like in it. But I just like squish it and make it thinner. But if you have a thin brush, then use a thin brush, right? The product that I use is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. And then I use Anastasia Brow Wiz. My pomade is the shade Auburn, and my Wiz pencil thing is the shade medium brown, which is kind of too gray for me, but I just really use that to like put the shape, and then I like fill in. Basically, let's get started because I talk too much. I start in the front of my brow and just draw a line like where I want the bottom of my brow to be. And I bring it out just a little bit in the front, but not a lot. I'm so bad at explaining. And it's okay if it's not like perfect, because concealer. Yeah, because concealer. And at the tail, you want to make it like kind of like, I don't know what that means. Wisp, like a point, yeah. And with my brows, I don't want them to go too straight, but I don't want them to go too down, because I'm not trying to have them golden arches, you know what I mean? And I kind of do the top of that, but I don't bring the line all the way over here. I just start like where my hair starts, because my hair ends like right here for some reason. So I just bring that. And remember, these are your eyebrows, girl. So you shape them how you want to shape them. Or boy, whoever's watching this. You're basically just drawing the shape that you desire for your eyebrows. My eyebrows are not the same. They're not even cousins. They're not sisters. They're not twins. They're not cousins. They're not related, okay? But I try to make them look like they are. Alright, so that's the brow, right? It looks kind of dark, but y'all see how it's like the shape of the brow that I want. And now I'm using my pomade with the angled brush, and I'm just grabbing a little bit of product. You don't want a lot because you don't want your eyebrows to be too dark. I start on this part of my eyebrow, the end of my eyebrow, because I want the man, I'm really bad at explaining things. Okay, I need a pillow because this chair makes me look like I'm down here. I put the product on the end of my brow first, and then I work my way this way because you want the front of your brow to be lighter than the other part. Yeah, that's the word. And you're basically just, I don't know the motion, but I do like hair strokes, I guess that's what it is. But filling in my brows with like hair strokes. Once you get to the front, you're gonna fill them in like until you want to fill them in like where that line starts, all the way down to like right here, you know what I mean? Like straight down from that top line. Okay, you see how I just filled it down straight down from the top line? If that makes sense. You take your spoolie and just spoolie that color out until the other line. You see? You see that? Yeah. And then like you see how this is like a little messy right here? I simply just take my finger and like tap it like out and just like rub it off in a way, but like really lightly. I just like spoolie the hairs up in the front of the brow like so, and you see where that like there's a gap of like stuff that's not filled in, which sometimes I leave that because it like looks nice or whatever, to have like natural looking brows. But if you're trying to look like Instagram or something, and yeah, I'll take the brow wiz again and just fill in those sparse areas, but hair strokes. Okay, and then it's a little light on the top for me, so I just filled that in a little bit. Like so. And then once again, after that, I'm taking the spoolie and spooling that out. Wow, look at that brow. To clean up my brow and make it like sharper edges and stuff like that. Really, you can use any concealer, but I like to use a concealer that has like a lot of coverage. So I tend to use Tarte Shape Tape. Unfortunately, I'm out of that right now. And your girl's broke, so I can't go get some more. Okay, so these are the concealers that I have. Tarte Shape Tape works perfectly fine. I have this Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. Revlon, Revlon Color Stay Concealer. And that one pretty much has like no coverage, but it works to like clean up your brows, obviously. And then I just bought this one. Heard about this concealer through It's Taylor on YouTube. But yes, she uses this concealer sometimes, and this is like really similar to Tarte Shape Tape, and it's $4, so good deal. So I'm gonna use that. It's a BH Studio Pro. Really? I cannot talk! BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. Flat brush. And I take a tiny bit of this concealer. And if I have too much, then I'll just like put it on my hand. And now I am going underneath the brow first. And you want to make the line in the front kind of straight. Just follow the shape of your brow, basically. And you don't want to make it like too like concealer-y, because then like whenever you try to blend it out, you're going to see that white line like right underneath your eyebrow. And that's not cute, to me at least. And then I just take the brush and just blend like downwards from the concealer, like a little over. I just watch how I'm doing this. Just bring the concealer like down. Like this. And then I usually don't do the top of my eyebrow just because like I don't know, I just don't. Because my lines are never like too rough up on top of my eyebrow, but I do the tail of my brow, and I just clean that up as best as possible, like so. And on the top you don't really have to blend out if you don't want to, but I do just a little bit. But yes, that is how I do my brows. I will do the other eye off camera and I will be right back to film the outro. Okay, so my brows are done. This one maybe look a little different because, like I said, I try to make them look the same. I've been doing a better job because before, whoa. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But I'm about to record the rest of my makeup, and then after that I'm gonna record a skincare routine. I don't know when they'll all be up, but they will all be up soon. But yeah, I'm trying to be more consistent, so I'm just gonna go ahead and knock out 3 videos right now. And yeah, I got better lighting, so I'm happy about that. And I figured out how to fix the lighting on my phone. I'm happy about that. So thank you guys again, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!